In this video, I'm about to compare Zapier and Make. The pros of Zapier include its extensive range of integrations, supporting thousands of apps like Slack and Google Sheets, making it ideal for business automations. Users can create complex multi-step workflow known as zaps and customize actions with conditional logic. Its user-friendly drag-and-drop interface simplifies setup and support team collaboration. The cons of Zapier are that advanced features require a paid subscription, which can be costly for small businesses. New users might find the interface overwhelming and some integrations may lack customization options. The pros of Make, formerly Integromat, include its visual builder, which allows users to design workflow graphically, making complex automations easier to manage. Make offers advanced features like data transformation and branching logic, providing greater flexibility. The cons of Make are steeper learning curve for new users compared to Zapier. Although it has a free tier, more complex scenarios can lead to higher costs, and it may not support as many popular business applications as Zapier. Choosing between the two depends on your need. Zapier is ideal for straightforward automations with extensive integration, while Make is better for users seeking advanced feature and visual design capabilities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.